Hello friends, I want to show you how you can use a function, how you can build your own function and use it anytime you want in your C program. So we can illustrate this using a simple function that can add any two numbers that you enter that you want. So you open your compiler and start right away. So it is hash equal. So we can call this function add. It can add any two numbers that you enter, and the data type for our function can be a float function because a number can be decimal, a number can be an integer, and adds. So it is float add numbers. We can call it add num. This is the function name. This is the data type of the function. So the function accepts parameters. The parameter can be, because the function is going to be fed with numbers. So we are adding any two numbers. So this function will be fed with a number. We can have the first number with the data type float. We can call it first, and then it can have the second number. We can call it second with the data type float. So after that, you open your curly brackets. So this function we are going to add, and we shall have a variable called float, and it's called sum. Yes, and this sum is equal to first number plus the second number, and then you return the sum because you have the formula that can compute the sum. Then after, you go to your main program and use that function whenever you want. Int main. So we can tell the user to enter numbers. So have the first number as a float, you can call it A. The second number, you can call it B. So we scan them from the keyboard. Scanf percentage F percentage F. Store them in A and B. Yes, and then we shall need sum. Sum is a float. Here, the sum of, we can call it sum of number or sum of num, and it is equal. Sum of num equals. Now remember, sum of num is the addition of A plus B. So we can call our function called add. Sum of num is the same as our function add. So we can pass in the arguments A and B. So they are telling you here that we must feed in first number, which is A, and the second number, which is B. Yes, and terminate. Then we can print our numbers. Sum equals percentage, and refer to sum of number. Yes. Here we go. here enter numbers 3 and 4. Yeah, the sum is 7. Thank you for watching. That's how you can use functions, and the function is here, its name is here, add number, and we have called it here. Thank you for watching.